How to decode a master lock lockbox when you forgot the code. This one was super dirty and took me a while to clean up and lubricate so the wheels turn. All you need is a hook pick that is thin enough to be inserted between the wheels. What you need to do is insert the pick tool into one of the wheel holes and pull back until you can feel the wheels becoming stiff and hard to turn. It might take a few tries, so don't worry. Once you feel the wheels becoming stiff, you will need to turn each wheel number by number, and you will be able to feel that the correct number is not stiff at all compared to the others. Once you completed decoding the wheels, you can either decode the first wheel where the pick was by inserting it into the second wheel, or just try all the numbers on the first wheel, like I did in the video. I think it is quicker that way. And just like that, the lock is open. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.